In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download Grubhub app on Android. If you're ready to order from your favorite restaurants, track deliveries in real time, and even schedule orders ahead, getting the Grubhub app set up is quick and straightforward. I'll walk you through the process step by step and share a few simple tips to make it smooth. First, grab your Android phone and make sure you're connected to the internet. Wi-Fi is best if you want the fastest download, but mobile data works too. Also, it helps to have a little free storage space available and to be signed in to your Google account, since the app comes from the Google Play Store. Now open the Google Play Store. You'll find it on your home screen or in your app drawer with a multicolored triangle icon. Once you're in, look to the top of the screen for the search bar. Tap it and type Grubhub. You'll see search suggestions appear as you type. From the results, select the listing called Grubhub Food Delivery. This is the official app. If you want to double check, look for the familiar Grubhub branding and a high number of downloads and reviews. Tap the app to open its details page where you can read the description, view screenshots, and confirm you've got the right one. Next, tap Install. The Play Store will start downloading the app and then automatically install it. You'll see a progress bar while it works. If you're on a slower connection, give it a moment. This is normal. Once the installation finishes, the install button will change to Open. Go ahead and tap Open to launch Grubhub right away. That's it. You've successfully downloaded the Grubhub app on your Android device. You can now find the app icon in your app drawer or on your home screen for easy access later. When you open Grubhub, you'll be able to explore restaurants near you, check delivery estimates, follow your driver in real time, and schedule orders for later if that fits your plans. If you don't see the install button or get a message about compatibility, make sure your device software is up to date and that you're signed into the Play Store. Clearing a bit of storage can also help if space is tight. These are just occasional hiccups and they're usually easy to resolve. Thanks for watching. With the Grubhub app installed, you're all set to discover new spots and enjoy convenient delivery whenever you need it.